Sub-Zero 747 here today with you guys. We're going to be unboxing a full Bassani catback for a 99 to 04 Mustang GT. As you guys know, we did get rid of the IRS and the Cobra, so let's just jump right into it and start unboxing this thing. By the way, the package is awesome. Looks damaged, but it's really not. It probably had a rough trip coming in. Fight the box, fight the box. Nice. Wow, the packaging is amazing. Good job, Bassani, on your packaging. This is amazing. All right, let's jump right into it. Nice, it came with hangers already. That's really nice. Super clean. We'll go ahead and just set these here. What else we got here? Okay, these are going to be our tips. Full 3-inch with hangers as well. Like I said, again, everything is packaged really well. It's actually in a plastic sleeve, so we'll leave that on there. Nice, it came with it. Stack that. That's the other piece. Man, those welds are clean. Tons of packing material, which is good. All right, this is what I was actually most excited about, that X pipe. That looks really good. Full 3-inch, like I said, all the way through, so it's actually looking pretty good. Stack that right there. Whoops. What's in this one? Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's actually the muffler itself. Holy cow, this thing is actually pretty big. Dude, I love how it looks so raw. It's got like a raw finish on it. Pretty nice. It's actually stamped with Bassani on the side right here. Super clean. Can't wait to hear what it sounds like with the cams on the car. Take the rest of it out. Bear with me. Okay, so this is just the other side. Nice hangers as well. Really clean. Great metal quality, that's for sure. The welds, like I said, are really good. Got really nice bead welds on it. Okay, so there's the other one, the other muffler. Really nice, actually. Get up close so you guys can see that, how it's like engraved or stamped. Really nice quality. Both sides, obviously. Super nice. I'm so excited to get this on the car and hear what it sounds like. Hardware. Okay. So it's just all the hardware. I mean, really, we don't really need to open it, but we can. As well, packaged really well again. Comes with your nice copper, yeah, looks like copper grease. Not bad at all. Instruction manual. And just all your nice clips. That's all that's in here. If I can show you guys. So really well packaged kit as well. Really excited. Everything came in right on time. Make sure we didn't miss anything. That's just the other side. Use that knife again. without trying to scratch at anything. Alright, so we'll just leave that one in the sleeve as well. Like I said, they packaged everything really nice. It actually has Bassani stamped on the tip as well. Great quality welds. Well, thank you guys for tuning in with us today, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you need to pick up your Bassani kit, visit Bassani.com or DNA High Performance. Thank you guys. Have a good one.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack.